Sour Cream Chicken Bake. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food and Fun channel. I'm Chris Lunek, and today we're making a delicious sour cream chicken bake that's perfect for family dinners or gatherings. It's creamy, savory, and incredibly easy to make. So let's get started. Ingredients section. For this recipe, you'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup crushed Ritz crackers or breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons melted butter. Let's jump right into it. Cooking steps. Preparing the chicken. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then, season your chicken breasts with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Make sure they are well coated. Making the sour cream mixture. Next, mix the sour cream and shredded cheddar cheese in a bowl. Once that's done, spread this mixture evenly over each chicken breast. Now for the crunchy topping. Sprinkle the crushed Ritz crackers over the sour cream layer and then drizzle melted butter over the top. Place your prepared chicken into a baking dish and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. That's so good. The chicken is tender, and the sour cream and cheese layer adds a richness that pairs perfectly with the crunchy topping. Thank you so much for joining me today on Food and Fun. If you try this recipe, be sure to let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes and fun kitchen adventures. Until next time.